Hi there. I've just been visiting my brother who's in hospital. He's in the neuroscience ward at the top of the west wing, and in the distance you can see what us locals know as the Beckley transmitter in the village of Beckley. I spotted it when I was actually videoing the air ambulance land, which it does outside of the part of the hospital where he's staying. So it's a 15-minute drive. So I thought, I've lived in Oxford all my life and I can't ever remember coming here to see this thing. So there you go. There's actually 3 towers, 2 smaller towers. I say small, they're still pretty big with dishes on. And then you've got the main tower, the TV tower. And according to Wikipedia, this thing is 544 feet tall. It's absolutely huge when you get up close to it. I'm probably still 40 meters away, well, maybe more, 50 meters away from it, maybe further, but it just fills the sky. It's very impressive. It was built in '62, apparently. I think essentially for broadcasting TV, and I think that's what it does now. The BBC definitely use it, I know that. And I just thought to myself, I've never actually bothered to come and take a look at this thing. And I don't actually know, I haven't done any research because this is a spur of the moment thing. I don't know how you get up close to it. There must be a way of driving and getting up a bit closer to it, but to be honest with you, this is close enough for an object this big. It's a guide steel lattice tower, as you can probably see. That's not obvious from a distance, but I mean, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, well, I counted 10 guys just on one side, 20, so there must be 20 or 30 guys probably keeping this thing up. And the main tower itself also has some dishes on it and what have you, so all the details are on Wikipedia for it. But yeah, I thought it'd be interesting just to come and take a closer look at this thing. This is the actual area that it's in. I don't actually know where I am. There's a guy over there, he's probably thinking, oh my god, what's that guy doing? But so there you go. I just thought I'd share that with you. So there you go, the famous Beckley transmitter, or as we locals know it, otherwise known as the Oxford Broadcasting Station. Quite an impressive sight for sure. Really impressive. If you're into communications, which obviously we all are. So there you go. Well, hope you enjoyed that little snapshot of what is a famous landmark in and around Oxford. You can see this thing literally for miles, and now I'm up close to it, I sort of understand why. It is absolutely huge, 544 feet. Well, thanks for watching.